In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Grafana to Influxdb 2026, step by step. First, open the Grafana website. Once you're in the cloud portal, launch your Grafana instance. After it spins up, you'll land on the main dashboard. Think of this as your command center. The left-hand sidebar is where you'll find all navigation, including the place to wire up data. On that left sidebar, click Connections. This opens Grafana's catalog of integrations. Choose Add New Connection to start the setup. At the top, there's a search bar. Click into it, type Influxdb, and press Enter. That narrows the list so you can quickly select the Influxdb connector. If you don't see an option to add a new data source from there, no problem. Use the same left sidebar and open data sources instead. In the data sources view, search for Influxdb again. On the right side, click Add New Data Source and then pick Influxdb from the list. Both paths lead to the same configuration page, so use whichever is visible in your environment. You're now on the Influxdb configuration screen. Start by choosing the product variant that matches your database. Grafana needs to know which generation of Influxdb you're running so it can communicate properly. Next, select the query language. Many modern setups use Flux, while older deployments may rely on InfluxQL. Pick the one your database uses to avoid query errors later. Below that, you'll see connection fields. Enter the URL to your Influxdb service and provide any requested organization, bucket, or database details. If your instance is secured, supply an authentication token or credentials. A quick tip here: use a scoped, read-only token whenever possible and keep it private. If your Influxdb uses HTTPS with a custom certificate, review the TLS options to ensure a secure, successful handshake. It can also help to give the data source a clear name so you and your team can find it easily later. When everything is set, click Save and Test. Grafana will verify the connection and try a simple query with your settings. A success message confirms you're ready to build panels and dashboards powered by Influxdb. If the test fails, double-check the URL, the product selection, the query language, and any tokens or credentials for typos or missing permissions. Adjust as needed, then click Save and Test again until you get the green light, and that's it. You launched Grafana, navigated through connections and data sources, found Influxdb, selected the correct product and query language, and saved a working connection. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.